In this video, I will show you how to install the ChatGPT Desktop app on Windows 11. If you use ChatGPT in your browser every day, the Desktop app makes it easier to work with files on your computer and gives you access to features like Codex and Work. We will install it, sign in, take a quick tour, and run our first prompt. The easiest way to install ChatGPT is from the official OpenAI website. On your browser, go to chatgpt.com/download and click Download for Windows. Once the installer has finished downloading, open it to start the installation. Once the installer opens, Windows will take care of the installation for you. You don't need to choose an installation folder or go through a setup wizard. Just wait while Windows downloads and install the ChatGPT Desktop app. Okay, the installation finished and we will click in Continue to sign in. And then we can sign in with our account. I will give, like, for example, then Ana Maria at email.com, or the email that you use with your usual ChatGPT account. We click in Continue. And it asks me for my password. Okay, now it asks me to verify my identity. I will just give the numbers that I got from my authenticator and click in Continue. I will click with Continue. Okay, it asks us some questions. Then, for example, I think what it defines my role will be more like engineer or product or data science. I will just click in engineer, and I will just unclick this suggest personalized task and click continue. I will just click on escape. It gives me some recommendations, and I will just go directly to ChatGPT. And I will just click in yes, continue with the setup, and I will just click finish the setup. Okay, now it is the welcome them page, and the first part is introducing the new model that OpenAI just released a couple of days ago, which is all. I will just close this one, and we are ready for our new prompt. Before we run our first prompt, let me just quickly show around the ChatGPT Desktop app. We have here the option New Chat, like we are used to in the browser. And then we can change here from Codex to ChatGPT. Or if we have also the option already installed, then we can use also Work on this part. And I think just to start, we will just use a short prompt, and I will just copy it in here. I'm new to ChatGPT Desktop. What are the 5 things I should try first? And I will just click it. I'm using here the model Sol Lite, and I will just click Send. Okay, and now we see already the result. This is a great way to discover some of the features available with your account. And that's it. You have successfully installed the ChatGPT Desktop app on Windows 11, signed in, and you're ready to start exploring everything it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.